Karbi Anglong lapen West Karbi Anglong apartment ingdeng hinia phong Karbi Anglong Premier League non nangkeleji Arkoi niphai ingkoi throksi ni pen Cheng ponpo busi Karbi Anglong Cricketer Association atumpen patumi Arkoi niphai kit home arni kangsam por phai pho apor Town and Country Planning asai hemalong pherangkia mai kangni ponhut kepangda Karbi Anglong Cricketer Association atum ke patir pipon along Karbi Anglong Sports Association atum cherap chitodunsi ingdeng hinia phong Karbi Anglong Premier League non nangkeleji Arkoi niphai ingkoi throksi ni pen Cheng ponpo CCI Bokajan atum pen ke patir pipon along Karbi Anglong Chairman's Council atum jakong pidunsi hiniang deng Karbi Anglong Premier League Cheng ponpo labang solong cricket ke pathoning ke hangabang pho atum ansitami non Arkoi niphai keparni an amen kache thapdunji aphan arni jong ponlo Nonamat kadu kawe teraner ke batuma men chethapon tanglo. Jesemet Reunion Dark Beats, Nok Bay Warriors Bokajan, Dongka Mukam Lightning Ball, Jir Poaching Room Stallions, Keroni Avengers, Royal Rhinos, Golden Citadel, Dipu, Lapen, Royal Meredith Atum Henlo Pusi, Pachini. Lapen ke pathu kache patie dim ke jongpon 5 Mile Sports Complex, Hanjang Langso Sports Association, Playground, Wothat Langso, HS Playground along si Jongponlu. Lapen labang solong ke haimati winners anong e kithik pon lak isi an sik pon. Lapen runners up anong e suri phokep an panong pon lupusi pachini pon.
So today why we are here is all because of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council approved second edition of Karbi Anglong Karbi Anglong Premier League, which is going to start from 27th of January 2024. This approval was met on the 15th of December 2023 under the leadership of Dr. Tuliram Rohang, Honorable Chief Executive Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. So as like last year, this year also we have the same teams, that is 8 teams, right from Bokajan, Nok Bay Warriors, Bokajan, and then we have got Jir Poaching Room Stallions, and then Dongkam Lightning Ball, Keruni Avengers, Reunion Dark Beasts, and Royal Meredith, Golden Citadel, and what else we have? Royal Rhinos. So all together 8 teams, and each of the 8 teams will play 7 matches. So we have got 3 winners also, that is right here at Diffuse Sports Complex at 5th Mile, which is our main ground, and also Wothalangso Higher Secondary School ground. Last time also we played there, and also at Hanjanglangso Sports Ground, right? So these are the 3 winners, and for the players registration, which is undergoing now, that will run till 7th of January 2024, and everybody who are interested, players born in Karbi Anglong, can register themselves by paying rupees 250.
News report Karbi Anglong Live.